everybody, it's that time again. Snack crate. This time the snack crate is from, come over. This snack crate is from
Hawaii.
Aloha. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to eat is going to be these Hawaiian kettle style potato chips. Sweet and spicy.
Can't be spicy as what we tried today.
Oh yeah, them spicy Cheetos. Them things was hot when they went down. Oh, they're hard. They're good though. I like them. You don't like it? Just a little sweeter than I would like. You know. Alright.
What happened to a bag of trash?
Alright, so the next thing that we're going to try is Maui style. It's a Maui onion potato chip. Okay. The next one, oh, we didn't have our family today. They wasn't here when I did it, so they're not in the video this time. All right, the next thing that we're going to try is chocolate something. Chocolate covered Japanese rice crackers.
Let me try. Chocolate pie.
That's the end. Alright.
It's the end.
Ooh. Hot tamale. They look weird. Yeah.
I can't bite it. See? I can't.
I don't know how. You can't bite it? I just tried.
I still can't bite it.
Stop trying to bite it with your front teeth. Bite it with the side teeth. It's not hard. Stop doing that. Ugh.
Okay.
Alright. Next thing we're going to try is a Kohana Crunch. A chocolate covered macadamia nut rice crisp.
I can't wait to eat it.
I don't like macadamia nut. Oh, look, it looks kind of like a...
It kind of looks like a Reese's. Except Reese's look better.
Why do you go so hard to buy? It's a big old macadamia nut too.
Let's get the nut and eat that.
Got it with the side. Not that bad. Okay. The next thing that we're going to try is going to be Hawaiian cookies candy bread. No, that doesn't say. That doesn't say bread.
I can't wait. Kind of looks like a cookie.
It tastes it tastes. I don't know. It's not nasty. I don't like it, but it's not nasty. It's just I don't like it. If that makes sense. This next thing is a Maui something. It's creamy caramel and macadamia nuts covered in milk chocolate. What's with these macadamias, Hawaii? Y'all like macadamia nut cookies? I mean macadamia nuts. I guess there is an island. A lot of islands are really popular for their nuts.
Oh, I thought there was another one.
It is. The whole thing. One thing I can say is they chocolate tastes funny. I don't work it. And I like chocolate, so if I was to eat the chocolate from Hawaii, I wouldn't like chocolate. Cause, ew. Alright, the next thing. You gonna finish it? Oh, okay, she likes it. Oh my goodness, Naya, hurry. Just put it to the side because you're taking too long. Here, you can have the thing. So. Put it just, okay. Or do that. Or do that. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to be eating is called a plum. Oh, it's called plum candy. There's a lot of sweet. Ooh, Jesus. It's so sticky.
Not as sticky as a sticky top that we have. I can't even bite it.
Oh, it stinks. What is that taste? You like it? Oh.
Did you know I spit out my chocolate?
First of all,
I couldn't finish it.
Ew.
Yeah.
That was nasty. Alright. The next thing is some pineapple gummies. They don't even have a name on them. They're just gummies. Let it just strew these in there. So here y'all go. Try these SpongeBob houses.
I can't even open mine. It's too small. There you go. Let me eat this.
I actually like this. Oh god, it's so chewy though.
It's really good.
Yeah, but
it's so chewy.
It's so chewy. I don't feel like chewing all that. Alright, the next thing we have is...
I'm still chewy. Let me use my kid eyes.
I don't think your kid eyes can see because it's the what is written on is like...
White.
First of all, the way it's written... Okay, so you can see it better right there. I don't know why. But from right here, it's like blending, which is weird. Okay.
Read it on the screen.
Oh, it's some kind of biscuit. Oh, that's not.
Ew.
That looks nasty.
Probably we should read what this is. But you already broke it.
You didn't even bite it out the way.
Exfoliate nerve.
Ooh, there's more of these.
Oh God.
Well,
I did not like that.
Since we like both of us like the gummies.
You can have one, I can have one. Yeah. So these are Asia Trans Rainbow Belts. Okay. They look like they look like them little extremes. Let's see if they taste like it. Ready?
I love them.
They taste like the extremes. You can have them. I don't need no candy. Wait a minute. They taste better. They taste better than the extremes. Way better. I got a whole candy bar. I mean a whole pack.
What other one did I like?
Licking. I don't even know how to pronounce that flavor, bro.
Lequeno.
Lequeno.
Lequeno. I can definitely open this.
La la la.
Mmm. Mmm. We can share these. They're more than one. If you like them, we can share these.
Save the best for last. I think that was everything. This box seems smaller than when I usually get them, but I guess it is. That's everything. Yeah. But this, oh, say it a bit. Oh Lord, it's so juicy in my mouth. I am moisture. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I didn't have my family this time. Maybe next time I will have them with me because they weren't here when I got the box. So, because it seems to be more, I think it's more interactive with them because it's a lot more people than me and just my daughter. But, thank you guys if you watched. Thank you. See you next time.
Where's my stuff?
Bye. You want to say bye? Bye.
Bye, everyone.